So for my assignment for students, I created to get them interested into QR codes and to practice. I decided to create a virtual field trip, and this would be used in some like a social studies class, learning about history and learning about the demographics and geography of the world. So for this scannable technology field trip, I am having students scan in to get their into the introduction to practice. So what they would do is they would take their iPads or whatever device they would use and scan this QR code to send it to this welcome page. And just for reference, this whole PowerPoint would be on paper. It'd be like a packet for students to be able to scan so that they go at their own pace and they're not like forced to do it as I'm flipping through the slideshow. So this would be a packet. But anyway, for the introduction, students would read this, and I would probably read this out loud all together. And so what it says is, great job on getting to this, and it would explain the assignment. It's that they're going to be exploring different countries, and for each website that they use, they need to look for a couple of things. They need to look for the country name, capital city, the language spoken, the population, the continent location or what continent it's on. And then they need to draw a picture of the flag and then 3 random fun facts that they find. So, and then I provide that they can ask for help during this, and for the QR codes if they need help or have a question to find me in the classroom. So for this assignment, the QR code that I used was QR generated, and I just looked it up, and for each one I made a special QR code and I tested them out. So the first country would be this one, and once you scan it, you would find it's New Zealand, and this website has everything that they need to find. For country number 2, this would be South Africa, and you get to National Geographic Kids, and it tells them everything that they need to know. They just need to search for it, and that's like the purpose for all of these websites. 3, Belarus. During this, I tried to do countries that weren't like France, Italy, I tried to do a wide variety from around the world. Country number 4 would be Portugal, to be a little different. And this website you can see already right here. It's showing the flag and everything that they need to know. They just have to dig deep. And then for the last country, I did Chile and and that it provides all the same information that they're finding, and then I just ended with that students will be able to speak their facts and tell the class about what they found, and then go over it as a class. And then I just did a conclusion telling the students they did a great job using QR codes and had fun learning about the world and getting comfortable with the QR codes. So I would say that this assignment is targeted towards upper elementary because it is a little research-based. They have to be able to read, but you could definitely lower it down if you wanted to just, students look for the flag and they draw the flag, or practice writing the country's names and stuff like that. So this is my QR project, and I hope you all enjoy.